Good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon. Good afternoon, everyone. Is audio video clear? Is audio video clear, guys? Please let me know. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Is audio video clear, guys? Thank you. Thank you. So, guys, today we have two sessions. One is the current one, and second is at GATE Civil ME XE channel, right, at 6:30 p.m. So, let's take both of session in the combined way. In this session, I'll be solving around 20-21 questions. In another session, I'll be solving around 33-35 questions, right? So altogether, today we'll be solving around 50-55 questions, right? So both the sessions should be taken in a combined way. Certain questions, certain types I'll be discussing in this session, and certain questions, certain types I'll be discussing in that session. So don't complain about this, sir, you have not touched this type of question, sir, you have not touched this type of question. If you look the whole picture, the complete picture, I'll be discussing every possible type of question, right? So let's see all these sessions in a combined format, the both of sessions. So shall we start, everyone? Good afternoon once again. Good afternoon to everyone. Shall we start the class? Everyone, shall we start the class? Nine. No, Ankit ji, not required. Not required. Fine. So this is my Telegram group link. If you have any issue, kindly join this group. Right. This is the first question. Bar chart for a small construction project is drawn as below. Activities which are being performed on the 6th week. Activities which are being performed on the 6th week of the project is or are. Guys, I'll be not telling you that this is a MCQ question or MSQ question. You have to decide. This question is a MCQ or MSQ. That is your decision. You have to treat every question as MSQ only. On 6th week, I'll be not telling that this question is MCQ or MSQ. You have to treat every question as MSQ. That is the only preparation of MSQ. So what would be the answer on 6th week? First of all, let us try to understand which is the 6th week. This week is our 6th week. So which activity are being performed on 6th week? D and E. So answer is A and B. A and B. It's not F. F is on 7th week. Right? This is my 6th week. If you have any confusion with any question, please do let me know. Shall we move forward? Next question. The milestone chart, which is improved version of bar chart, was improved by? Was improved by? It's an easy question. Very easy question. Henry Gantt? Answer is option A. Good. Next question. Good question it is. It's a good question. Good question. We have to answer which of the following statements is not true. Is not true. Is not true. Two or more arrows should not be used for single activities. Also, two or more activities should not be represented by single arrow. This is true. Dummy is not an activity. This is also true. Any two event can be directly connected by not more than one activity. This is also true. Initial event must be a burst event. Not required. Not required. Answer is D. Any confusion? Any confusion? Any doubt? Any confusion? With this, with any option? Any doubt? Any confusion with any option? Good. If you have, please do ask. Please do ask. Right? Minimum number of dummies. I believe the speed is appropriate. Elaborate C, sir. I'll elaborate C. Don't worry. After this, I'll elaborate C. After this, I'll elaborate C. Four. Let us try. Let us try. This is A. This is B. This dummy can be removed. We can take out E, 3, D, C. Right? F and G can be merged to a single node. Let us say 6, F, G. Dummy, dummy, dummy. 7, H is coming, I is coming. Please check whether after drawing this, whether the logic of the network has changed or not. Please check whether the logic of network has changed or not, everyone. Two dummies. Naveen ji, no, not possible in any case. So, answer would be 4. Most of you are right. Most of you are right. Twos can be removed. The minimum number of dummies will be 4. Yes, the logic is not changed, so we can do this. Further, can we remove any dummy? No, not possible. Right. In this, any two event can be directly connected by not more than one activity. Yes. Motion ji, yesterday did we discuss this? This is one event, this is two event. Can we do this? Right? Any two events can be directly connected by only one activity. Not possible with two activities. This is wrong, right? That's why statement 3 is wrong. That's why statement 3 is wrong. From an event, more than one activity can be started. Yes, Harshji, we can start. That's why statement 3 is wrong or C is wrong. Fine. See, over here it is written must. Initial event can be burst event, but it is written must, right? That's why this was wrong. Must. Next question. Table shows the activities and their durations and dependencies in a project. The total duration in days of the project is in integer. Definitely the answer would be in integer. It's one of my favorite questions. Very good question it is. It's a very good question. Everybody please try. Everybody please try. Everybody please try. Please try. If you are done, please do let me know. If you are done, please do let me know. Let us also count the number of questions, right? This one was first, second, third, question number 4. This one is fifth. Shall I solve? Shall I solve the question? Shall I solve the question? Right? Shall I solve this question? Let's try. A is initial activity. B depends on A. C depends on B. D depends on C and L. Right? F depends on A. A, B, C, F depends on A. D we cannot draw because it requires L. G depends on F. Fine. G depends on F. H depends on G and L. K depends on A. K depends on A. L depends on F and K. L depends on F and K. C and L. Let me draw K in the center. K. Right. Let me try it once again. B, C depends on B, F depends on A. Let's keep this as F. F depends on A, G depends on F, H depends on G and L, K depends on A. K depends on A. This we have drawn. L depends on F and K. L. Fine. This is done. Right. Now, D depends on C and L. D depends on C and L. H depends on G and L. H. It is done. Like this. Right. A, 8 days. B, 4 days. C, 4 days. D, 4 days. F, 4 days. G, 4 days. H, 6 days. K, 10 days. L, 6 days. 0, 8, 4, 12, 18, 24, 24, 24, 30. Answer is 30. 30. My critical path, this, 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 this. Is it clear? Please check everyone. Is it clear? Please check everyone. Shall we proceed further? This was question number 5. Question number 6. Question number 6. Sir, for activity it should be 8 plus 4. Activity B? Okay, fine, 12. It still doesn't make difference. Fine, thank you. Harshji, thank you. Please solve, everyone. Let me draw. A. B depends on A, C depends on A. D depends on B. E depends on C. G depends on D and E. F depends on C. G depends on D and E. H depends on F and G. K depends on B. L depends on G and K. H depends on F and G. G and K. Fine. Let's do it this way. This one is H, F and G. L. Right. So 6, 10, 14, 8, 12, 8, 16, 8, 2, L5. 0, 6, 16, 20, 32, 24. 48, 48, 48, 56. So this will be 56. Check it out. Check it out. Yes, it is 56. Agreed, everyone? Good. Question number 7. What would be the answer? In PERT analysis, probability distribution used to represent activity time is. We are aware about it. It is beta distribution. Good. Next question. In PERT analysis, probability distribution used to represent project completion time is. Used to represent project completion time is. Bombay. Normal distribution. These are famous questions. Everyone, these are very famous questions. Sorry. For executing a particular job, 4 contractors A, B, C, D are hired. Sorry. Who is most sure oblique certain contractor? Most sure oblique certain contractor. What would be the answer? Most sure oblique certain contractor. In this case, what do we do? Tp minus T naught, 5, 9, 8, 7. So, this person is more sure and this person is least sure. Agreed? So, answer will be option C, that is contractor A. Contractor A, right? Good. Next question. Project completion time of the path will be. Project completion time of the path will be. We will be using the approach summation T naught plus 4 times of summation Tm plus summation Tp divided by 6. So 2 plus 4 plus 1 plus 4 times of 5 plus 5 plus 10 plus 8 plus 10 plus 13 divided by 6. How much it will be? $19.67. Good. Very good. 19.67, right? $19.67. That is the answer. If we have to round off to one decimal, it would be 19.7. That is my answer. 19.7. That is my answer. Good, Harshi. Right. Next question. Slack. TL minus T slack. TL is 18, T is 20. So answer is -2. -2 weeks. Answer is -2 weeks. Check it out. Most of you are giving the answer as 2. That is not appropriate. This is contractual obligation time. TS is 18 weeks. Please check. and TE of the last event is 20 weeks. So this is nothing but TL. Fine. Next question. Next question. It's a good question. It's a good question, guys. See, we know that Z is equal to TS minus TE divided by sigma, right? TS we need to determine. T is 60 days. Sigma, since variance is given 4 weeks, sigma will be under root of 4. That is 2 weeks. So this is 14 days. Please understand that the unit of this T is days. So the unit of this sigma will also be in terms of days. It is mandatory, guys. It is mandatory. So Z, the value of Z is 1.647. TS minus 60 divided by 14. So 60 plus 14 into 1.647. That is TS is equal to 83.058. So answer is option B. Some of you getting answer as option A also. Some of you might be getting answer as option A, like Ritika ji. But that is wrong. Ritika ji understood what mistake you did. You took sigma as 2, but sigma is 2 weeks. But it has to be converted into days. It has to be converted into days. You made a mistake. Conceptually, you are wrong. Conceptually, you are right. But you made a mistake in calculation. Good. Next question. The probability distribution taken to represent activity time in CPM analysis is? Yes. What would be answer? Normal distribution, right? Question number 14. Consider the following statements regarding the critical path method, CPM, of the network diagram analysis and select the correct statements. It can be MCQ, it can be MSQ. So please take care. It can be MCQ, it can be MSQ. Please take care. Network diagram is activity oriented. It's true. Activities follow normal distribution. That is also true. Activities follow beta. Wrong. Project cost is controlling factor. No. Time and cost both. Both are controlling factors, right? I believe the speed is appropriate, guys. I believe the speed is appropriate. I'm not going too fast. I'm not going too fast, right? 14th, 15th. Because I don't want to waste your time. Your time is precious. This is exam time. Everybody, please acknowledge. Speed is appropriate, right? I don't want to waste your time. Your time, your current time is very precious. Total number of non-critical activities. Okay, fine. Total number of non-critical activities. So let's do the calculation at first. 0, 3, 15, 9, 15, 18 plus 3, 21. 15 plus 6, 21. 34. Everything is critical only, it seems that. This, this, E, H, G, all are critical. The ones which are non-critical are only A and B. So answer will be option C. Please check. A and B are non-critical. Rest, each and every activity is critical. Rest, each and every activity is critical. Is it okay? Good. Next, we have to calculate free float. We have to calculate free float. How much? FT, maximum available time, 14 minus 4 minus activity time, 6. This is 4. FF, FT minus SJ, 4 minus 2, This is SJ. So answer is 2. ठीक है, फाइन, फाइन. I'll try but cannot commit. At this point of time, cannot commit. Tell me, what would be crash cost? What would be crash cost? Cost slope is equal to crash cost minus normal cost divided by Tn minus Tc. Cost slope is 75. Crash cost we need to determine Cn is 450 Tn, 10 Tc, 8. So CCL 2 to 150, 600. Is this the answer? Is the answer 600? Good. Good. Try this question. Try this question. Please try this question. यार सुन ली आपकी बात दोस्त, बट देखो कुछ चीजें ऐसी होती हैं जो मेरे भी हाथ में नहीं होती है. आपकी बात मैंने सुन ली, आपकी बात सराखों पे है. ठीक है साहब. आपको अंदर की बात बता रहा हूं. कृष्णा सर का एक हाथ फ्रैक्चर है अभी. अब बताओ, ऐसे में उस इंसान को बोलूं कि आके महा रिवीजन और महाअभ्यास ले? अब बताओ. मैं लगाना उन्हीं का चाह रहा था. अब ये बात आपको पता नहीं है, तो उसमें सोच रहा था मैं ना बोलूं, अवॉइड कर रहा था. आपने मुझे टेलीग्राम पे मैसेज करा था, मैंने रिवर्ट किया था, बस खत्म. कुछ भाई अब हमारे एंड पे भी सोचा करो. जरूरी नहीं है हर समय पे हर रिसोर्स अवेलेबल हो. अब बताओ. कहो तो फोटो भेज दूं आपको. What would be answer? We're telling A, let's check it out. Let us determine the cost slope. For activity 1, 2, it will be 30. For activity 2, 3, it will be 50. This will be nil. 2, 4, 20. This will be 200 by 3. That is 66.67. But I would better write it as 200 by 3. Right. For 1, 2, the normal duration is 4. The crash duration is 2. We write it like this. 2, 3, that is 3, 2. 2, 4, 2, 1. 4, 5, 7, 4. 0, 4, 7, 7, 14. This is my critical path. This is my critical path. Right. The normal cost. Let us add this. Zero. 3, 6, 9, 15. 5. 1 carry over. 5 plus 3, 8. 8 plus 2, 10. 10 plus 5, 15. So one cost is 1550. One cost is 1550, the normal cost. So this is not the option. This is not the option. Answer is A. But still we will solve this. Answer is A. See, this is my normal cost of project. Right. Crash cost will be definitely more than this. Will be definitely more than this. So we can directly go to the answer. But still, I would crash this. Now, which critical activity has least cost slope? The critical activity is 1, 2, 2, 3, and 4, 5. Which has the least cost slope? Activity 1, 2 has the least cost slope. So first stage crash activity 1, 2 by 2 days. So total project cost will be 1550 plus 2 into 30. That is 1610. Second stage. Now which has the least? 4, 2, 3 is 50 and this is 2, 3. We can crash 2, 3 by 1 day. 2, 3 by 1 day. Total project cost 1610 plus 1 into 50. 1660. Third stage. 4, 5. We can crash it by 3 days. Total project cost is equal to 1660 plus 3 into 200 by 3. 1860. So answer is option A. Check it out. This was 17th. Question number 18th. Check it out. Is this clear, everyone? 1550 to 1860. Next question. Question number 19th. Question number 19th. Next session we have at 6:30 p.m. Link will be shared in my Telegram group. From there also you can join, or you can join that session at 𝐂𝐤𝐴 Civil Mechanical Chemical 𝐂𝐤𝐬 channel, the Hindi channel, right? What is being asked? Rate of depreciation. In straight line method, what will be the rate of depreciation? In straight line method, what would be the rate of depreciation? Rate of depreciation in straight line method is simply 1 by n. N is useful life, 1 by 5. So answer is 0.2. Oshanji, this is the answer. Rate of depreciation. Again and again I have taught in various classes. This is the rate of depreciation. Ritika ji, not 0.4, 0.2. It is simply 1 by n. 25k. How we are getting 25k? 1.5 lakh is the total amount of depreciation, 5 years, 30k. That is the amount of depreciation. See, please understand this D, CI minus CS by N. 30,000 it is coming, right? This is amount of depreciation per year. Amount of depreciation per year. This is not the rate of depreciation. Next. $20. If manufacturer estimates that the total depreciation of his machinery at the end of 10 years will be 3,50,000, what amount should be set aside in a sinking fund every year, which has a 7% interest? What is being asked over here? D, CI minus CS into sinking fund factor, that is I upon 1 plus I to the power of n minus 1. D, CI minus CS. Depreciation is 3,50,000 into 0.07, 1.07 to the power of 10, 10 years minus 1. 25,332.126. Option B. Option B. Right? Good. Question number 21. You know what is markup? Yes, there are tricks to solve such questions. That is binomial expansion. Binomial expansion. 1 plus x to the power of n, that is 1 plus nx. 1 minus x to the power of n, 1 minus nx. You know, markup is profit. Markup is profit. Quoted price is also called as bid price. Both are same. Right? So, in the question, bid price is equal to total project cost plus markup. Bid price is equal to total project cost is 40 lakh. Markup is 10% of bid price. So, can I write 0.9 times of bid price? That's a total project cost of total project cost. So, bid price is equal to 40 plus 4, that is 44 lakhs. This is our answer. What is earnest price? Earnest price, we don't have earnest price, we have earnest deposit, which is taken from the contractor at the start of the project as a security money. As a security money, so that in the due course, while executing the project, contractor does not run off from the project. If he does, then this money can be used to call the tender again, to raise the tender again. Right. Next question. Question is same, but over here, if the markup price, this is not price is 10% of bid price. Right. So, total project cost is equal to 36 lakh. So, bid price is equal to 36 plus 10% of bid price, right? 0.1% of bid price. So, 0.9 times of bid price is equal to 36. So, bid price is equal to 40 lakh. This is our answer. Got the logic? Got the logic? This was question number 22. That's all in this session, guys. Let's meet in another session at 6:30 p.m. Right? In that session, I'll be discussing around 30-35 questions. Some questions are being left out in this session. Those questions will be discussed in that session. Definitely. Catch you soon, guys. Thank you. Bye-bye. Till then, goodbye.